Welcome to Bravo.
China.
Today we're gonna play with what, Liam?
Tractor.
Good job. Can you tell the names of the tractors? What is that one?
That one a garbage.
And what about these ones?
That one.
Show them.
A bulldozer
Bulldozer.
and an excavator.
Excavator. What else does we have? Does we have like anything else? What other one? What is the name of that one, Liam Lee?
That one a low lumber.
Oh, and what about this other one? The big one.
A big and a truck.
Whoopsie.
That's a truck.
But what is the name of that?
That's a boat.
Okay.
Look, push it.
It push it. Wow. Say bye, friends.